I want to be honest with you, most passive income content online is selling a fantasy. Real passive income requires real upfront work. But once you build it correctly, the math is undeniable. Here's what actually works. True passive income means money that arrives whether you work that day or not. It's not easy money, it's leveraged money. You trade time once, upfront, for income that repeats indefinitely. Here's the framework for building streams that actually last. Stream 1, Dividend Investing. At a 4% yield, you need $300,000 invested to generate $12,000 per year, about $1,000 per month. Sounds like a lot, but starting with $500 per month invested at 7% growth with dividends reinvested gets you there in about 20 years. The earlier you start, the more powerful this becomes. Stream 2, Digital Products. A single well-made online course, template pack, or ebook can sell thousands of copies with zero marginal cost. The key is solving a specific problem for a specific audience. Build it once, market it consistently, and improve it based on feedback. The best digital products earn while you sleep because they're evergreen. Stream 3, Content Assets. A YouTube video uploaded today can generate ad revenue for years. A blog post that ranks on Google can earn affiliate income indefinitely. The strategy is volume plus quality. Publish enough good content that the cumulative effect becomes significant. One video won't change your life. 200 might. Start with one stream. Master it. Then add another. Don't try to build 5 income streams simultaneously, that's a recipe for 5 failed attempts. Pick the one that matches your skills and timeline, then commit for 12 months minimum. Subscribe for the full breakdown on each strategy.